In this video, we will discuss the best kind of keywords to target on your Amazon affiliate sites. As we have seen earlier, you want to be using mostly buyer keywords. You can have a few pages focused on non-buyer informational keywords, but the majority of your pages should be focused on buyer keywords, and that too only specific types of buyer keywords. Let's suppose you are building a site about golf balls. You want to target phrases like best golf balls, golf ball reviews, and product name and model number. In addition, within any niche, there will be several sub-niches. We need to find those and target them as well. In general, we go after keywords like best product, product reviews, and product name and model number. At times, it may not be possible to rank for keywords like product name because you might be competing head-on with the company making those products. Many times, doing that is futile because Google will not rank your affiliate site above the company that makes the product. Like if you have a site about shoes, you would not want to compete directly with companies like Nike by trying to target their brand names. Instead of competing head-on with companies in every niche, we search for low competition buyer keywords that are easy to rank for. The vast majority of your affiliate site's traffic and revenues will come from Google.com. The other two search engines, Bing and Yahoo, have a very small share of the search market and do not really matter much. Google has the lion's share of the search market, more than 70%. Ranking in the top 3 of Google can bring you a lot of traffic and revenues. The same cannot be said of Bing and Yahoo. In addition, we are not going after phrases with lots of traffic, like more than 10,000 searches a month. If your site is to get a significant amount of traffic from Bing and Yahoo, you will have to target phrases which get more than 10,000 searches a month and rank for those in the top 3. But targeting such high traffic keywords will usually require using black hat methods, which we are not discussing here. Very few SEOs manage to rank for those kind of phrases without using black hat methods. Using black hat methods can be a dangerous thing to do, as Google and other search engines are cracking down heavily on such methods. We are interested in building websites that earn money every month and do not ever get penalized by search engines, and that requires your website to be built purely with white hat methods. That said, even if you target very low competition buyer keywords that get like 100 to 300 searches a month and rank in the top 3 for those in Google, you can end up making a good amount of money every month. Each such page that ranks in the top 3 in Google can make at least $20 to $100 or more every month. To get to $1,000 to $1,500 a month, you may need around 50 to 100 such pages. Sites built this way, targeting very low competition buyer keywords and using only white hat methods, can survive all kinds of search engine updates and earn revenues like clockwork month after month, all from Google traffic alone. And that's why we focus solely on Google and not the other search engines.